Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn 5 common phrasal verbs you must know if you learn English or if you already speak English, you must use those phrasal verbs. So if you may know those phrasal verbs but you don't know the meaning, just use like I do. Sometimes I use phrasal verbs, new words, only sentences, but I don't really know their meaning, but I still use it. I know the situation I can use, but exactly I don't know the meaning. So today we're going to learn 5 common phrasal verbs, make tell you their meanings and make some sentences while we're learning English. So let's get started. So the first phrasal verb we got today is wake up, wake up. Like we use every single day. Wake up, I wake up, I wake up. What does that mean? Like wake up, like just wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. She wakes up at 6 a.m. like that. We use every day, right? So wake up means is stop is sleeping. Like when you wake up, it doesn't mean you just get up the bed or like that. No, you just stop sleeping. I wake up. Like when you open your eyes, it's just open your eyes while you're sleeping and stop sleeping. That time, the moment you stop sleeping, you will use wake up. So wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. like that was it. So the first word, second word we wanna learn, not word, phrasal verb, like is get up. It's same. Those are same but has different meaning. So get up and wake up, we use the same time. For me, when I was learning English, I really confused those phrasal verbs. Like people they use in both. I was like, what the hell is going on? Why? What's the difference? So as I mentioned before, wake up is stop sleeping. You open your eyes and you stop sleeping, right? So get up is get out of the bed. Like when you stand up, the bed like there, right? When you stand up, and that means you get up the bed. So I got up, and she like also like you can say she got up, she got out the bed to make exercise. So you get off the bed, you got out of the bed. It's just move the bed and wake up. You just stop sleeping. So it's a bit different, right? But we can use both. What phrasal verb is common and every day we use both of them. Like if you say I wake up at 6 a.m. or I got up at 6 a.m. It's normal school. That's no different. People they understand you. They feel a bit confused, but we use both of them. So get up. I just get up on the bed. Can say that. Like when you wake up the morning and you meet a person, you can say, I just got out of bed. So yeah, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna make some tea. Or I just wake up. So I'm gonna make some tea. Just wake up, so you're gonna make something. I just want to brush my teeth and do something. So get up and wake up is the same but has different meanings. So wake up is stop sleeping, and get up is get out of the bed when you stand up. Yeah. Let's move another now the theory phrasal verb. This is common phrase of looking for. Looking for is absolutely common phrasal verb we use every day. So looking for, what means looking for is try to find something. Looking for, like I'm looking for Hussein Farmash. Do you know where is it? I'm looking for Mukhtar Farmash. Do you know where is it? Or I'm looking for my sister. She lost, she missing like that. No lost, I think she missing. Yeah. So looking for is try to find something. So when you try to find something, you use looking for. It's very common. Like when you go to the airport, you say like, do you know I'm looking for gate number 2? Do you know where is it? Yeah. So it's very common. You should learn this common phrasal verbs, and the meaning is try to find something. So this is another phrasal verb right here, similar to looking for, is look after. Like we use both of them every day. It's very very common. So look after is take care of. Take care of what? Take care of your sister. Take care of your little brother. Take care of your dog. Take care of your cat, and take care of your parents or whatever. Yeah, people you need something you need to take care of. Look, like also yourself. Like we use brother, look after yourself. Like we just use that sense like, hey bro, how are you? I'm good. Like maybe when you see a person, are feeling unwell, you just say, look after yourself, brother. Look after yourself. So that means take care of yourself. Like, look after yourself. Yeah. Or you can say, when you have an appointment with your friend, can you go out tomorrow with us? Like that. If they ask you, say, no, tomorrow I will look after my little brother. So that means you would take care of your little brother. So look after and looking for space similar, but look after is when you take care of something, like taking care of something, take care of something. Yeah, take care of. Yeah, take care of yourself. Look after yourself. Is the we use all of them. It's kind of really make your the way you're speaking cool, like normally, naturally, while you're using those. Kind of look after yourself. It's kind of cool. I like it, the way that we use. So let's move the last one. The last one is give up. Like even when I wasn't speaking English, before I learned English, started learning, I used this word, give up, don't give up, don't give up. I have no idea what does that mean. Like I just using that. I feel like the vibe, this word, what does that mean? Like the way the situation we can use, I know that, but I was not know where exactly what meaning, even when I wasn't speaking English. So give up means stop trying. Give up means stop trying. If somebody asks you, keep trying, that means give up. Like don't give up. Smell. Keep trying, don't give up. If you stop trying, that means you give up. So don't give up. Don't stop trying. Just keep going. So to give up is when you stop trying. Like I stop trying. Like for example, right now I'm English learner. I learn English by myself in online in this one. So and my youth as well. So if I stop trying, that means I give up. I stop it. So don't give up while you're speaking English or while you're learning English. So guys, today we're learning those phrasal verbs. I hope you like the video. Hit the like button, subscribe channel, and join me this channel every day. I make new video while I teach in English or while I learning myself as well. So yeah, you can see my progress. I already speak English and absolutely my confidence is perfect. So excited to be here and learn English in myself and guys also share you how I learn English. This is every day I try to learn new words, new phrasal verbs, and new sentences, and then also when I learn it, I also explain you and teach you as well to not forget, and also you teach as well. So because you need to learn, if we learn a language, we must keep going and keep learning every single day. So I hope you like the video and tell us any phrasal verb you must know, but it's very, very common. You want to teach us, write down at the comment that phrasal verb. And yeah, of course, if a new word that would be perfect, just teach us something. If you're better than us English, me and my audience, of course. So yeah, see you next video. I hope you enjoy your day. Have a good one.